Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karlisa. I do hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, and now entrepreneur vlogs. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am preparing for launch day. So launch day is actually tomorrow. Today is Monday, August 17th. I'm going to be launching on Tuesday, August 18th. So I'm super excited. I know that is literally the day after I'm posting this video. So if you're watching on the 18th or later, you can go ahead and click the link in my bio now and shop. So today I'm going to show you guys how I have been preparing for launch day. So a couple of these videos are from a few days ago when I had packed my very first order. I had also taken some product pictures and showed you guys how I did that. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. I will also be showing you guys a couple things that I'm going to be doing today in order to prepare. Most things are just about done as far as my shop is concerned. I'm just going to be doing a couple little things here and there that just need to get done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that being said, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm about to package my very first order, and I'm sorry, I don't know how to hold this plastic camera up, y'all, because okay guys, so I'm about to package my very first order. I am super excited, and I thought I would show you guys what that looks like. So just to be very clear, my website is not launched yet. The person that reached out to me is actually a family member, and they live down the street. So since she's about to go on a trip, I thought that I would go ahead and just sell her these sunglasses now. Okay guys, so everything is right here ready for the order. My business cards and thank you cards also came in. So these are my business cards. I made them myself on Canva and then printed them off of Vistaprint, and I actually got a pretty good deal. These are my thank you cards. As you can see, there's a code here, so I'm covering them up, but these are my thank you cards. I also made them on Canva and printed them on Vistaprint. It's a blank back. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start packaging this order. I've never folded up this box before, so this should be really interesting, y'all. I don't actually know what I'm doing, but let's pretend, okay? Oh, I get it. All right. So she ordered the pink rectangular rimless glasses, as well as the larger rimless glasses in brown. So what I didn't show you guys in my haul was these sunglass bags that I got, as well as my tissue paper, and I got crinkle paper as well. My sunglass bags actually came in the day after I filmed my inventory haul. If you haven't watched my inventory haul yet, I will be sure to link it above and down below for you. So I'm going to leave it in the original packaging, as well as put it in this sunglass bag for extra protection. Just so, you know, the customer can take them out of the casing by themselves. A little extra protection and never hurt nobody anyhow. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and put that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some crinkle paper in here. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to set the glasses nice and neatly in here. Like so, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and tuck my thank you card and business card in there as well, right on top. So I would love to have had like a sticker of my own on here, but I haven't ordered them yet. Like I said, this was an impromptu order. I wasn't even supposed to be doing these today. Like I said, my website isn't launched. I wasn't really, I'm not really taking orders at this time. But like I said, this is a family member. She literally lives down the street and she's going on a trip. So yeah, I do appreciate her for asking me if I'm selling them anyhow. And yeah, so all I'm gonna do for right now is put some packing tape on it just to make sure that it stays nice and secure. So there you have it. It's all nice and wrapped, nice and safe. And yeah, so huge thank you, Candy, for being my first order. And yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna leave it like this because she's actually coming to pick this up in a couple minutes. But yeah, so this is how sunglass orders will be packaged. And like I said, I do want to put like a sticker on top as well, just to make it extra pretty and to brand. But yeah, so that's just that on that. Okay guys, so now we're in my room. I am on my laptop about to take care of a couple things. So yes, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working on. So I'm looking at the back end of my website. I use Shopify. So yeah, I'm looking at the back end of my website. I'm just looking at my inventory numbers, making sure everything's correct, my description box and everything, my description boxes and everything like that. I got my notebook right beside me, y'all, and in it is just all the items that I got and the prices I got them for, along with how much I will be selling them for. So I'm just gonna double check that everything checks out. I'm looking at my description boxes of each item just to make sure that everything is Gucci great. I have to add my product pictures of my sunglasses because I did my clothing on a separate day. So as you can see, the photos of me are in here. I just didn't do my actual sunglasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those now. I actually have to edit them on my phone because yeah, I literally just took them yesterday. I took pictures with it on like the day after I did my own photo shoot, and then I never actually sat down and did the product pictures. I'm going to go ahead and insert the clips of how I took them, and I'm also going to edit them from my phone. I use Lightroom to edit and brighten up the pictures just because I don't have the most professional lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and edit those, add them to the site, as well as double check my pricing, description boxes, and stuff like that. So here are some clips from yesterday when I just took a few product pictures of my sunglasses and my earrings. I don't do anything special. I just have it sitting on a piece of backdrop paper. You can use a piece of poster board paper. It's the same exact material. So I'm just taking the pictures on my phone. I'm going to edit them on an app called Lightroom, which I strongly suggest. You don't have to pay for the app. I do believe there's like a free version where you can use like their free presets, which mean filters that you can use. I literally just took out the wrinkles that were in the backdrop page. I use the natural preset filter so that I can just brighten the image just a tad. So I didn't do anything super special. I'm just playing around with the glasses to see which layouts I like and which ones I'm going to keep. And then I edited them on Lightroom. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple pictures in here just to show you guys how it came out when I was all done. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So I just want to show you guys, I've added my personal pictures to the website. Yeah. So, excuse my laptop screen, I do have to clean it off, but y'all get the point. So I'm going to have my god sister place her order just to make sure that, you know, once you guys are able to order, that everything runs smoothly and all that kind of stuff. And then the site is done. So once that's all done, all I have left to do is type up my email for the people that subscribe to my email subscription list, just to let them know that we have launched. And I'm pretty much done. Everything is ready and set to go for launch day. So I'm super excited. Before I end this video, I also want to say I literally was just doing a couple more things for my website. And I don't know, y'all. I just got real emotional. Like, Is that weird? So like I'm super emotional, but at the same time I'm also really nervous, but I'm also very excited. Am I normal? Like, I don't understand. Like, do people normally go through this when they're about to launch? Like, I don't know. It's just something about the fact that like I've been waiting to do this literally all my life, and the time has really come. I wanted to launch this business like the 1st of July, which was unrealistic now at the time when I'm looking at it, but I really wanted to launch in July, and there was a whole bunch of obstacles in my way. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not too upset now that everything is done and ready to go, but now I'm super nervous and I'm super excited. I really hope you guys like the collection, and I hope you do shop, and I hope that you know, you really like my pieces. But I don't know, y'all, I'm really nervous because I don't know how tomorrow's gonna go. So I'm gonna take off of work tomorrow. I work a full-time job as well, so I'm not a full-time, you know, YouTuber and entrepreneur yet, but I know I will get there one day. I'm going to take off of work tomorrow just to give my business the full attention. I know my head is going to be somewhere else as well, but I'm really nervous and I'm really excited. You know, I've come a long way in the past couple of months. You know, a lot has happened, and I feel like I was being tested, you know what I'm saying, in a lot of ways. And I've really grown, to say the very least. And, you know, I'm just really happy that I'm finally putting my energy into something that I want to do. But it's also really scary. Like, this is the biggest risk I've ever taken. So I just don't know how to feel. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Kind of sort of situation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and yeah, I'm thinking the next video I'm going to do is take you guys, you know, I'm going to actually vlog for my launch day. Let me know down in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of content you want me to post for this Entrepreneur Life series. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.